With this thread, UV treated thread, it's very slippery and springy, so it tends to unravel off the reel. So the trick is to just get part of your wife's old stocking, or if you're that way inclined, one of your own stockings, and thread that up through there, and then just slip that down over the outside of that cone, and that stops the thread from all coming undone and all unraveling. Well, I'll just get that down, that's it, just like that. So then when the thread pulls up out of there, it won't, oops, we've got it caught underneath here. That's it, it should come up like that without any anything catching it. So now this is also important when you're using this thread, because this is not the normal thread you would use on this machine. So thread it up through there, then around through this hole. Now this is important because this thread is so slippery, it goes around and right around again. So complete 360 around there, through here, through there. Then the rest of the threading is just normal. Don't have to worry about this, it's just... And you thread, always thread the needle from left to right. So you can wind the needle up with your hand here just by turning that wheel. Then you get that through there like that. And we're ready to sew. Now what I've got here is just one piece of shade cloth and one piece of geofabric. It's a fairly heavy piece of geofabric, but we'll just try just on that one piece of stuff first. Whoops, it's a bit sticky. So it's that's a little bit tight because I've got this up tight now because we want to sew a lot more than just those two thicknesses. So now we're going to double that again. Sew down there. And that's sewn that really good, those missed stitches. Now we're going to double it again, so we're going to have 4 thicknesses of geofabric plus 4 thicknesses of shade sail, shade cloth. Let's try that. It's a bit hard to see the black thread, but that's really good. No missed stitches at all, and not even any puckering. It's held that really well. We'll just do another row. Now, if your machine doesn't sew as well as that, this is a Coates Daybond V138, which is a UV treated thread. Now, if your machine doesn't sew as good as that, you may need to get a mechanic to make a few little modifications to the timing. I've already done that to this machine. And the other thing I had to do, because these cones are higher than the normal little cones that you use on a bag sewer, I've had to just make a post here a little bit longer than the usual post so that it will hold that thread in place. But other than that, it's going really well.